You can see that I'm starting to separate my biscuits and choose the ones with flaky layers. They work better. Then we're gonna come in with some cherry pie filling. That's what I'm talking about. And I'm gonna put a nice glob of cherry pie filling right into the center of these biscuits, you guys. If you have not tried this easy and delicious recipe, there's no mistake why you're watching this right now, right? It is calling your name. It is time that you try it, you guys. So I'm filling mine with cherry. What are you filling yours with? There are so many choices to choose from. Once you have those filled up, you're just gonna fold those tops right over that cherry. Look at how simple this is. I'm gonna take my fork and I'm just gonna quickly move around the edges of that pastry so then it's just sealed in, super nice. If some of that cherry comes out, who cares? It's not that big of a deal, right? So we're just gonna seal those up, preventing most of it from coming out. But like I said, if it peeps through, you know, it's not the end of the world, you guys. Life goes on. So we are in here trying to do some simple stuff and having a little bit of fun with it, and you should too. So go ahead and seal all those biscuits up with whatever delicious filling you choose, and bam, we are off to a great start. So we got those all sealed up, and we're gonna take our knife and we're just gonna put a little slice right in the front. So we were making a little hole just to allow some of that air to come out. As they cook in the oven, they'll raise and there will be like little mini pies. How cute is that? Grab yourself a little bit of melted butter and just brush it right over the top. It'll just allow this crust to get a little bit more golden brown and crispy. And as we're making these little homemade apple pies, I think, I don't know, it's up to you if you don't want it, but that's exactly what I'm going for here. All right, easy peasy, you guys. We used some cherry pie filling. We have some biscuits, brushed it with some butter. That's what we got going on so far. Now we're gonna pop them in the oven at 350. They're only gonna take about 12 minutes, so keep an eye on them and stick around because there's more to come. And trust me, you're gonna love these. Our simple cherry pies are almost done, so we're gonna make an easy icing by taking 1 cup of powdered sugar and 3 tablespoons of hot water. And we'll go ahead and mix that all together until it makes a really nice, smooth icing. That looks great. That's exactly how you want it. If you can see that all of the clumps are gone, easy peasy. I can't wait to add these to our cherry pie. Ooh-wee. This is what I'm talking about. Look at how amazing those look. I am super impressed by how much the cherry stayed in the inside, and that little poke in the top, even though you can't see it, it allowed the dough to rise and they look so good. Now remember that icing that we just made? We are going to pour them right over the top. Yeah, baby, that's exactly what I'm talking about. We're taking it up a notch. What kind of pie filling are you guys using? I wanted to use cherry because for one, I love cherry, and I also wanted to make this delicious icing. Look at how it just drips right out of there. And it is going to be such a compliment to that biscuit. It's gonna sweeten it up just a little bit, and I cannot wait. I'm ready to dig in. I am so ready to dig in. Now, of course, you can let those sit for a minute, but you know what? I am just gonna take this one right here in the front. Yes, okay, here we go. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that cherry pie filling in the center. Oh my gosh, the icing, is it on my face?
Yeah.
I can feel it's on my face. You know what, I don't even care because I'm gonna finish eating it. So if I have icing on my face, you know what, deal with it. All right, you guys, I'm digging in on this cherry pie. It is absolutely amazing with the icing on top. What kind of pie filling are you using? Are you gonna add icing? If you guys have not tried this viral dessert recipe, you must. It is a must try. All right, you guys, I'll see you later. Let me know how you're changing it up in the comments, and enjoy.